What is it?
I'm not even fucking joking. I swear to God, I saw like a tiny fucking mouse with like. I swear to God, it was like the weirdest thing.
What'd you find?
It looked like a. It was running like a squirrel.
Chipmunk?
But it was like no. It was like this tiny. It couldn't have been a frog because frogs they
They'll hop.
stop.
Yeah.
They don't run like.
Scurry.
It could have been a mouse. It could have been a tiny ass mouse, but still, it's fucking weird. It went underneath here. I stopped.
Oh shit! It's a fly again. Don't move.
I see it.
Just cover your ears. Leave us alone. You hear that?
What?
Sounds like a car. Wait. You hear it? Cars! Yeah!
Jamal, we're in a park. We're in a park. Of course there's a road. That's how we got here. We're not lost.
You right?
Oh shit. That motherfucker literally went like this. Down my face.
Oh, I feel stupid.
Yeah. I was gonna tell you, but you ran. Like.
I just got overwhelmed.
I know, you...
After I watched like The Edge and shit, you know what happened? What is it?
You peed.
No, I didn't pee.
Yeah, you did.
No, I'm not recording
You
that.
gotta change.
I
Turn it off.
Cars.
I know there are cars.
Just. I think it's over there. One time, I haven't been here in. We haven't been here since. Oh look, brilliant tree. We haven't been here in like
See, there's another warning.
Which one did this?
Bigfoot,
is it bigger or?
Probably the elephants.
So you think this one, Jared? What? The fuck is that? What is that?
Don't do anything.
The bad?
Yes.
Can we get out of here then?
Yeah.
What is it? Tell me about it. What is it?
That. Native Americans used to call that,
You're not lying, right?
Huh?
You're not lying, anything.
What? Who said that? What are you talking about?
I'm just...
Let's go.
Just asking.
I totally know what that bug is. It's,
Can you tell?
blacking...
What?
The blacking bug.
Blacking what?
Blacking bug.
Blacking bug?
Yeah, because it's black.
What do you get? Okay. I don't know, I'm not gonna judge.
There's another warning, like for a fight.
They didn't knock down trees. You sure it's not just nature? Like heavy
mean?
rain and
What do
snow.
you mean by
and stuff?
nature? There's many definitions by nature. There's Mother Nature.
N-
There's nature.
Nature.
There's science of nature.
Nature.
There's
Nature. I don't care how many types of nature there are. I'm talking about nature.
presence.
Jared. Nature.
There's the beauty of nature.
Can you just...
I don't know. You have to specify which.
Nature?
Right there. See that bird?
What? No, I don't see anything.
It's right there.
Where? I don't see... Jared. I'm starting to like question this guy's legitimacy. Where the... I can see you. You're not hiding from anyone. Jared, get out. Get out from behind the tree.
Huh?
This is enough. Come on, get up.
No, look at.
Get out.
Found
Jared, enough. Jared, enough. Jared, enough. Enough. Jared, stop.
Indians used to
Jared,
call
no,
this
shut up.
moss.
Jared, get me out of here.
There's moss.
Jared, I want to
look
get
at-
out. Jared,
look
no.
at- look at- See,
There's no moss on this tree.
yeah, there's plenty of moss right there.
Flies, I know that much.
But
Don't move, don't move.
Motherfucker.
These fucking flies have been bullying us ever since we came here.
So anyway, that moss.
No, no,
yeah.
enough. Let's go.
That moss
No, enough.
was.
Which way?
What-
No, ready?
you think I'm making this stuff up?
Yes, I think.
I've read the books.
Okay.
I've-
Like what? A page?
I've lived in nature.